to another video. If you are new here, then welcome. My name is Alyssa. Before I continue with this video, be sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell so that you are notified every time I post a new video. Today I want to do another video regarding YouTube. I just want to give and mention the products that have helped me grow my YouTube channel thus far. First off, can we just appreciate this beautiful natural lighting? Okay, that's enough of that. Also, before I continue, I want to go ahead and shout out what I am wearing as far as my jewelry goes. So this beautiful necklace is from the Risen Lotus collection. She is on Instagram and she also has a website. I'm going to put all the information down below, but it's the Risen Lotus and she makes beautiful jewelry. I'm not going to give too much information, but you guys should definitely go check her out. So I started my YouTube channel a couple of months ago. When I started my channel, I literally just had my phone and a vision, and since then I have bought a few things that have helped me significantly with my channel. So the first thing that I purchased was a MacBook Pro. Now I pretty much just got this MacBook Pro in order to edit my videos. I have iMovie on my phone. Obviously, if you have iPhone, you have iMovie. But when you edit on a computer, it makes your life so much easier. So much easier to use a mouse, a cursor, whatever, to just clip, cut, whatever you need to do to make the edit. And if you have an iPhone, you can use AirDrop and AirDrop your footage to the MacBook. You don't have to worry about using the USB or anything like that. Now remember, you don't always have to buy a brand new one. I found a great deal on Marketplace and I saved hundreds of dollars by getting a almost new MacBook for way cheaper than it would have been from the Apple store. So please do your research. Don't go out and spend thousands of dollars because you feel like you need to have a brand new one. Just make sure that you're getting that whoever had it before you took good care of it. But yeah, you don't have to buy these things brand new. So that was the first thing that I got. The second thing was a tripod. Now I'm not filming on a tripod right now. I'm not using it right now, but I got a tripod with the ring light and it makes recording way easier than trying to find somewhere to set your camera, your phone, and you know how that goes. So the one I have is adjustable. I'm going to try to throw in pictures in this video of the ones that I purchased. But yeah, so I got that and it has the ring light, so you can do 3 different settings. The main thing you want to remember when you record YouTube videos, you do not want to record in dark lighting. For example, right now I'm just using straight natural light and it's amazing. Like, this is all I need. I don't need my ring light. But if you're recording in a darker setting, or let's say you're recording in your bathroom and you don't have the best lighting, you want to use a ring light. You do not want somebody to click on your video and see low quality and darkness. They're gonna click off super quick and you do not want that. Your goal is to keep your potential subscribers on your channel, on your page, on your videos as long as possible, because that's going to help your view time, and then they might potentially subscribe because they see that you produce good quality videos, and that's what people want to see. Everybody's attention span is already short enough as it is. So far I named the MacBook and the tripod. The last thing that I have purchased so far that has helped me with my channel are different types of apps. So I'm going to mention a few apps. The first app that I purchased was PicMonkey. I like PicMonkey because you can remove backgrounds from photos and it makes it look very crisp. Certain apps that are free that remove backgrounds, it's not crisp and it just doesn't look good. So with PicMonkey, like I said, you have to pay for it. There is a free trial. You have to pay, but you can put a photo in. Let's say you want to remove your background so that you can make a thumbnail and make it pop. So you can remove the background. It does it in like a few seconds, and then you can go into another app and add like a new background, blur the background, whatever you want to do, because you want your thumbnails to pop. The first thing that somebody sees before they even click on your video is your thumbnail. So you want to make sure that looks good, that it's popping, that it makes people want to click on your channel, want to click on your video, and then they may potentially look at more of your videos. Another app that I recently purchased is called SuperimposeX, and I can't really give all the details as far as how you use the app and things like that because it has a lot of features, but it enables you to do a lot of cool effects on your photos and make really nice thumbnails. So I definitely recommend that. Also, Phonto is great for your text. For your thumbnails, they have really good text, and I believe Phonto is free. So I use Phonto as well. I have used Canva before, as well as PicsArt is really good. But a lot of the features, the really good features of PicsArt, you do have to pay for as well. So just be mindful of that. Everything does not cost money as far as photo editing, but if you're paying for it, you're going to be able to use more features, and that's what you want because you just want to produce the best quality of everything when it comes to your YouTube channel, especially if you want to be successful. Now that I'm starting to make little changes to my YouTube, to my videos, what have you, I'm able to see the change. I'm able to see the growth of my channel. YouTube is your best friend. Like, everything you could want to know is on YouTube. If you don't know how to do something, please YouTube it. Don't just not do it because you feel like you don't know how. There are so many videos with so much knowledge about literally everything. So I just want to throw another tip out there real quick. If you have videos on your channel, and let's say you have a specific video and you feel like it deserves more views and you feel like you could have really reached more people and gain more subscribers from that video, you can go into that video, edit it, edit the tags, edit the thumbnail, and save the video, and YouTube will redo the algorithm. Not redo the algorithm, but it'll put the video back out as if it was a new video, if that makes sense. So I want to show you guys physical proof. I did this. So I posted a video back in April. It was my 6-month visual lock journey. It's like 14 to 15 minutes long. I really took my time and selected pictures for the video, and I posted the video and I got a couple hundred views. I eventually made it to 1K, and I just was not satisfied with that. So once I got TubeBuddy, which I mentioned in my last YouTube video, if you don't have TubeBuddy, I highly recommend it. But once I got TubeBuddy, they recommended tags for me, and they told me that my thumbnail resolution was low. So I went in, I updated the thumbnail. I also updated all the tags, and then I saved the video. Y'all, I'm currently at 12,000 views on that video. Mind you, this video was posted 2 months ago. When it was first uploaded, it got barely any views. I went in after a month and made the changes, and it hit the YouTube algorithm. So when your video hits the YouTube algorithm, you're gonna see those views and it's gonna go up. So y'all, my video is at 12,000 views. So I just wanted to throw that tip out there. I also want to add that ever since I went in and tried to learn like how to edit videos, how to make my videos more interesting, I'm seeing that people are staying on my videos longer. So you also want to be sure that you do that. So those were just a few other tips I wanted to throw out there. Like I said, if I come across, or whenever I come across different things, I will let you guys know whatever is helping me grow my channel, so that you can help yourself grow your own YouTube channel. Whenever I see things happening, whenever I'm able to see the change in my channel, I like to help others because I know the struggle can be real. Well, I really love helping others grow their YouTube, and I love when others help me because I feel like we should all support each other. It shouldn't be one person has all the knowledge and doesn't want to share it. We can all grow on this platform, as I have said before. So why not support each other as best as we can, you know? As always, thank you guys so much for your support, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.